How to get a DVLA share code. First, search gov.uk/view-driving-license. You will need your driving license number, your national insurance number, and the postcode your driving license is registered to. Click Start. Make sure you enter your full driving license number as seen on your card. Enter your national insurance number. And finally, the postcode your driving license is registered to. Next, click Get Your Check Code. These codes are case sensitive. Make sure you copy it as displayed. Next, search firstresponsefinance.co.uk/app/login and log into your account. Click Start Now within the Upload Document Proofs section. Click Verify. Select your name and click Next. Enter the check code from the DVLA website. Then enter your driving license number. Click Proceed and Finish. Thanks for watching.